Hello, folks. Lon Jenkins here. Um, I know that there's this time where grubs get into your lawn and you don't realize what they really are. You may go out there and you may see brown patches in your yard and you're thinking it's fungus, you're thinking that you got some drought going on. You may not know exactly what it is. Well, I was that same person, and there's some things, some marketing things that may be throwing you off. And let me show you what I'm talking about. You may go into the big box store and then you're going to see 3-month protection. And it says kills all kinds of stuff. Some things even looks like grubs and different things. But when you look on the back of this sheet, it'll tell you chinch bug, earworms, caterpillars, beetles, bill bugs, ants. It tells you all of this stuff, and when you look on the shelf, you see things that, hey, I'm going to use this. Here's another one. It's by Ortho. This one actually says Grubs. Okay? But it has bifenthrin in it, which does not kill grubs on contact. And if you see grub damage, that means that you need something to kill on contact. These are good for when you have the grub eggs at a certain time of the year. Like in the middle of the summer, grubs are really active, but they're laying eggs. This will help towards the end of summer. The eggs won't hatch. But if you already have something, you need something else. This is for big box stores. This is your Dilox ingredients. Trichlorophone is the actual active ingredient in it. And it says kills within 24 hours. You need to look on the back here and make sure it has this. This product will kill on contact. I know that this thing works for a fact, and you'll see in the video because I've run into the same situations. See, there is a big difference between the two curative active ingredients, which means that kill on contact, and then all of these other ingredients that are good for eggs. I want you to take a look at something here. So mine is basically coming back. I had an extensive grub damage, and I believe I had some army worms as well. I think only the second time that I've ever had the army worms. They really attacked right here. It didn't go down there that much, but right here, it really attacked. But let me show you after I put this product down. Here's my line and where it stops. Look at the digging right here. You see that, folks? Look at the digging. That is possums, maybe raccoons, skunks, who knows, but they're trying to get to the grubs. This lawn has not been treated, my neighbor's lawn. As soon as you get to my side, it starts to slow down a little bit. You'll see a little bit right here, a little bit right here. But I put down the active ingredient, the Dilox, killed on contact. And the grass is starting to come back, and it's coming back stronger than ever. It's getting nice and green and thick and lush. So I know that this is something that a lot of people get. They don't realize that there's really only 2 products that kill grubs on contact. So if you already see the grubs in action tearing up your yard, or as I feel what I had right here, the army worms, but you can see that the grass is starting to come back a little bit right there. So yeah, even those of us who are in the yard all the time, that's what happens. Basically, the problem that happened was I was putting down non-curative products, thinking that I'm doing some great justice to my line, right? But the grubs are already there, and that stuff only works on eggs. Doesn't work on everything else. So that's a little tip for today.